Imagine transforming your photography from something good to something extraordinary. With the power of artificial intelligence, you can streamline your workflow, unleash creative potential, and boost the value of your work. In this course, you'll discover how to blend your artistic vision with practical tools that help you become an AI expert in the photography field. Whether you're deep into your professional journey or just beginning, you'll find clear guidance that dispels common misunderstandings and opens up a new realm of creative strategies. We've condensed countless hours of research into one comprehensive training program designed specifically for photographers. You'll start by understanding core AI concepts and techniques that make photo editing faster and more intuitive. Imagine automating routine tasks like retouching and sorting so you can focus on what truly matters. A unique creative process that sets your work apart. You'll also learn how to communicate effectively with AI by crafting the right prompts to quickly generate ideas and bring your vision to life. This isn't just about saving time. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities, all while keeping you updated with the latest AI tools and trends in the industry. With expert-led insights and resources that are continuously refreshed, this training helps you stay ahead, delivering high-quality work faster and more efficiently. Discover all the AI for Photographers training courses on CompleteAItraining.com and take your photography journey to the next level.